Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you more detail from the previous video. The previous video I have done and been setting about the machine. Machine for machine. And the first number one machine. Okay, this one is the manual. Uh, take worker to do this machine for manual. It's a manual machine. And then second is take worker to set up. Okay, need worker to set up machine before the machine produce relate on the process in the machine, relate on the cycle time of the machine. And number three, this one is not 100% not complete the machine. A variable is not 100%, right? Okay, sometimes the problem is come up. The problem that come up need worker to fix it, repairing. Needed on mean time to repair. I will set up on this machine. And the last one, the machine is automated machine. It is a purely automatic control, right? And just need the person, just need the worker to carry the workpiece finish. Yeah. Finish workpiece. Okay, the carry finish workpiece or going to the drain and carry on drain. Okay, I will show you the result being finished, right? Okay, I can double click on there and this it and running. Okay, I just okay very fast cannot. Okay, focus on and observe it. Okay, the person is carry just only one part, and every worker is carry the part based on the first machine, right? And you carry carry again, and okay, the worker A red color shirt, and you carry finish part out of the last machine to the drain. The dignity as a worker, everyone is have the same skill. Same skill is can be answer to the another machine. Even another machine is it never have the worker to do something in the machine. Okay, can call another worker. Another worker is the worker to do something machine, right? And the duty is the fully skill for every worker, right? That means why worker A can do repairing, and another can do to carry the workpiece from the last machine to drain, and some worker to do the process manual machine. Right? Everything is can swap the duty each other. Okay, I just show you about it. This song. This song. This song is the waiting time and the performance. Okay, it's quite good, because it's more than 50%. I think because it's waiting time and waiting the workpiece, right? Waiting the worker to do in the job for of that machine, right? And this one, right? It's a large machine. It's waiting. It's blocked by failure of the machine, third machine. And the machine is not completed done about the workpiece because it failed situation. It call worker to repair, right? To repair before then before it is done, send the workpiece to the last one. That means why it's got stuck, right? Like the bottom next in the third machine. Right? Okay, and this video I add more detail for you, adjust and improve some parameter, right? Okay, I just show you about this. This is the person. The person is not paralyzing. Okay, it's not worker A is a lot of the job. Worker C, okay, and for preparing the setting, right? And need the worker A to do processing in the manual machine and carry the workpiece and walking, right? Walking to another machine, right? Uh, in the display on this chart, walking to the job, right? Walking to the job is find out the job, the final job have need the worker to do something, right? Okay, the worker is walking to the job, walking to the job, walking to the job, right? That add more the yellow color, need the yellow color for B worker, and C okay is not he he not wasn't walking too much, right? If the walking, I think he going allow the machine number 4 and carry the workpiece to the drain, and that's it. That means why the yellow color is not over. It's not over. Okay, it's not not too much, right? Okay, it's the less than worker A and worker B. Okay, I gonna set other set other parameter more, right? Okay, I show you right now. I can back turn back. Okay, I will specific job for worker A, for worker B, and worker C. Specific job, define the specific job to them. Right? And another, the worker is carry just only one part from the sort. I think the person is the worker. Uh, I think the worker have have a lot of the ability more, right? A the capable of the worker it can be used for carry is more than one, right? More than one. That means I will define if the worker uh, can carry the workpiece more than one. What happens in your system is it better and improve how many percent? Improve is better and performance is higher or not, right? You need to define the new parameter for this process. Okay, I will show you of that. So worker, this worker, right? And how you set up an app ability for them, right? Ability for them can carry is more than one workpiece, right? Okay, just focus on this worker. Double click on the worker. Uh, so look up about it. In the every field, right? Okay, the meaning of the and this field, the dimension, x dimension, z dimension is y dimension mean. Okay, the worker can carry right the space area. Person worker A can grab it, can carry, right? In how many spread, right? Okay, the spread x, y, z. X mean, okay, we show you what is the x direction, y direction, z direction. Okay, I just open in 3D and the x direction is forward, right? In the forward, in the front, the forward direction, and y direction go left or right, left or right. Okay, right. The direction is the horizontal direction, and vertical is mean x, right? And z go up, that is go up. Right? Okay, stack on the first layer. How many layer is on the z axis? Uh, that's it. So you just back to come back to the worker again. I need to post it. Focus on the worker. And again, double click. Come back again with the dialog box. This one I just use 2. Y I just use 2. And C I just use 2. Right? Okay, how many part worker E can carry on? 2x2 and 2 4 times 2 is 8 workpiece, right? Per one time. Per one is the worker to carry on. Apply and OK. Apply and OK. Okay. Actually, the function of okay, multi care is carrying by anything the object by worker as a must use the buffer because the machine can be carried on the station just only one because it's not a parallel station, right? This is the station, right? Station uh, need just only one stay on the station, just only one part. I cannot press more than one, right? More than one on the machine. That means I need to use the buffer, right? With the buffer is a buffer here, right? And control that dot. Okay, you notice about the symbol on my mouse, right? The symbol on my mouse, right? The shortcut, right? The shortcut. Okay, you press, right? Okay, right now it's connect already, right? It connect automatically. The buffer, okay, used for uh, less the workpiece, and the workpiece uh, contain inside of the buffer, right? First, and the buffer is carry more than one. It can be carry more than one. And when the station need some workpiece, okay, automatically the buffer feed to the station automatically. Okay, worker A is working. Worker A uh, can be walking along with the eighth workpiece uh, in his hand, with his hand, right? Okay, right now everything changed, right? And this one buffer is the default number of the capacity is eight. And another way I can reject the arrow, right? And need a connector. Another way I will teach you about you can define a direction, the target, right? The target of the start, right? It don't care about the connector. You might define by this one, the target. Is the target. You take importer is a human worker. The worker take the workpiece, go to the target, right? You can define by this. Okay, this one is buffer. Okay, you click on it there. Buffer, click OK. Apply again, click OK. Okay, right now you you don't define the connector between the machine sorry, between the source and the buffer anymore. Like this. And I need to define about the worker A. The worker A, I think I use individual job for A, for worker A. B, same thing. And C, I need to define the worker B for process this machine. The machine need the worker to set up this machine before the machine produce some workpiece, right? Okay, I need to define the worker B to do this machine. And another worker is C, right? Worker C, I specific job for him, right? For him to fix, to repairing and failure machine. And when the machine breaks down, as you call worker C to do this. And the worker C to do the last job, the last station job. Last station job need the person, need the worker to carry work finish part to the output and the container. I call that drain. Drain. That's it. Okay, how we define specific job like this? You go into this, and so you must click on the tab and define this, right? Again, the manual machine, find it. Find it. Okay, you can I cannot I cannot change some parameter. You must click on the behind of the blank behind of the service button. Click on there and click again. It will come back the command block. Right? Okay, define AA. Oh, sorry. AA means the job name is AA. Job name is AA, right? And specific job AA. Okay, remember. Okay, this the first machine I define a specific job AA, right? AA means okay process, the manual process, right? Trying to build some piece something on the first machine, okay. Second session, you're going to click on there and find out the service, right? Okay, this one the setup, right? Setup as a machine, right? You're going to click on the tab setup, right? And click on service. Service right now should be where should be BB. Okay, BB needed on the worker B because I manage the job. I get it, the specific job. B worker B to do set up, just that. So next is apply. Yes, click OK, and this one failure machine. Right? If I click on a failure machine, okay, I need define the specific job CC. The CC for fix it, repair, and take the worker as a worker to do this. Right? I think in planning, I will use the worker C to do this, and to do repairing and carry the workpiece to the output container. It was failure. Okay, I forgot. Click on behind of this. CC. Apply. Click OK. Apply. Click OK. Last one. Double click on there and importer. Okay, transport, right? So click on service. Don't forget. Click behind of the service button. Click on there and change to the specific name CC. Apply and OK again. Apply and OK again. That's it. Okay, not completed. You need to define more, little bit more. I bring you to double click on the worker pool and click behind of the button creation the table on there, and the worker one, define the worker A with job AA, right? Job AA. Okay, define the worker B for doing something. The job PB, right? The job CC job city for worker C. Okay, apply again. Okay, try to error is pop up. Okay, back. Okay, I will set up about the job, specific job for the sort. So you must follow up the importer the same the previous session setting the parameter and specify about the specific job. Uh, Importer go to the transporter and services. Uh, and this one, okay, I forgot it behind of the button service. You define AA. Right? I need a worker A to do this. Just only one worker. Just only one worker. And the worker B, worker C, done to do the sort, to do carrying and transporting from the workpiece from the sort to the buffer. Okay, I need just one person, worker A. Did they got a job, this job, the specific job AA. Apply. Okay, not completed. I need to define about the maximum dwell time. Maximum dwell time means let the worker stand up in front of the sort, right? Stand up in front of the sort and waiting about the worker the workpiece the object workpiece part okay come in his hand and he can carry on it's more than one workpiece right on his hand right okay take the little bit time right for loading the workpiece to his hand right okay I just used 1 second. Maybe imagine 1 second mean they already the packaging and they already in the maybe the work piece eight work piece right worker worker A they hand out and grab the work piece eight work piece into one time right in one time okay and carry work piece and go out let's go away from the sort session right just use 1 second okay assume just sorry okay keep okay sorry has just only one service already done click okay uh, again eight right eight uh, pop up the error let me uh, order buffer the buffer okay never have about WordPress okay going to resort tab and hit that down front of the buffer front of the buffer delete delete why not let me delete it if I delete it buffer to here laptop one, and resort, transporter is close, right? Close. Uh, okay, I just use it. Okay, connector. This one define importer, define buffer. Click OK, click OK, and let me separate it. Okay, the worker A, the red shirt. Worker B to do uh, the second session. The machine semi-auto. A carry workpiece here, and worker C to carry the finished part to the output container. And that's it. And you move very fast. Okay, add up more throughput, right? More throughput than the previous, than the previous. Turn back. And the worker, I need duplicate. And this one, okay, the new one, right? The previous one, I forgot save it before. Save it before. Click OK. This one is I deleted. Okay, this one. And save as smart number basic theme is the worker worker and worker and, and save as. Okay, let me double click on the previous one. Uh, the, the previous one. The previous one, okay, I need to compare about the throughput, and this one improvement, and the pencil improvement, the worker improvement. I got T 1,300 more, right? This one just okay 1,000 1,200 workpiece, right? When you adjust, right, it add up more than 100. Okay, think that keep okay 100 to 1,200. Think that, and okay, and this one chart, right? And the maintenance, right? Maintenance job. A maintenance job is A can be used for repairing, and this one is worker B can be repairing the machine. The C as well, and every job is not general. It's general job. General job. Every person it can be working on the machine, every machine, right? And the Pacific. That means why worker to take a job. It's walking to the job, walking to a job a lot, right? Or you can see 10%, 10%. Not balance the work, not balance work. Okay, and the chart of this, the worker chart, this is session chart. Session chart is the waiting time. Waiting time is waiting the work piece. Waiting work piece come in the station number one. It's waiting it oh 10 20%, 22% is waiting time. Waiting the work piece come in the station number one. Right? The waiting time is very widely. Very widely. The range is very widely. Okay, I just uh, approve, right? Approve, approve. Okay, close. Uh, this one I improve that. Improve that. 1,326, right? Uh, improve this. And click on the worker chart. Okay, the worker chart. Right here, you see, if you, right, you see it unbalancing the worker, right? Worker job is unbalancing, and worker B focus on the setup job. The setup job worker B to do this only the job, right? And the worker A is the process, right? Process and is carry the work piece from the sort, right, to the buffer waiting, uh, waiting when the machine, the first machine need the workpiece to come in, right? The workpiece to come in and the worker to process everything in the first session and finish send to the second the second worker to do setup, right? Okay, this is a job in the brand. And worker B, just less job, right? Let the job to take the time less, right? Take the time less. That means if you can reduce the worker to two people, okay, you just uh, reduce the cost because two worker enough. I think that, right? Because it is just only one job and uh, just to reduce two worker, right? And right now is a work and this time is worker B is okay, take the job less and still have the throughput increasing 126 126 products, right? Increasing. Okay. It's going to look up a table. Look up a table. Okay, this waiting time reduced 10%. 10% is reduce the waiting time to 10%, right? Okay, that's it. Ten percent. You see the histogram. This is the first bar. First bar is station number one. Okay, the rating the part, rating a part because the person is the person uh, going to the sort session uh, by walking on foot, right? On foot going to here. Okay, take the time because it depends on how far of the worker pool, right? How far the worker pool, right? Okay, I take it nearly the station, right? And I think I yeah, a culture, exactly, culture. Okay, etc. Okay, you remember I need to reduce the block part, the block part because you're waiting the person to take the object, to take the part from the sort, right? To take the time for working. Okay, I just reduce, then back. Okay, control, click control, and move by keyboard, right? Uh, you click on the button, go up, go down, left and right, right? You can click up here or here, here. Uh, let's start up again. You see, you reduce, right? You reduce about the waiting time, right? About the waiting time. Uh, increase the working job, right? The working job increase more, right? Increase more is out of 50%, right? Out of this, I can show you a worker. Okay, this one worker. Worker is balance 2%. Worker A, worker B, worker B, worker A, worker C. Okay, to do the job, to do the job finish, and the balancing is to use the performance nearly the same, right? Okay, return listen. Right? I will try and change the direction. Hey, sorry, descent. Right? And how far the brain station. Okay, details on the performance as well. Okay, you need to move, right? Culture, culture. Okay. And this station should be culture. You use the keyboard, right? Keyboard. Go left, right. The keyboard button. Left, right, up, down. Use that. Keyboard very easy to move. And here, okay, these show up. The performance working. It's a job. Working job is okay higher than previous, right? It can go up to 60%. And 60%. Okay, I reduce the distance effect to the throughput number of the throughput or not. I just proved it. Move very fast. Oh, we come to 1619. Right? Okay, the view up bar. That means you can improve your session as much as possible. Okay, I just uh, it's, I going back. If I use 20 capacity, right? Capacity is more. Maybe the workpiece not. Maybe the workpiece is short, right? Okay, I think it's cover. It's capacity is more, and I just show display more. This one. Okay, I then drop the capacity, the buffer capacity to this, and double click over there, and display right the Potter. It's Potter apply. Okay. Again, the Potter. Oh, okay. Turn back. The Potter. Adjust automatically. And uh, how the length, right? I define the length of the maximum minimum of the scale of the y-axis of the y-axis, right? You're going to axis, and this one I just use the storage symbol, right? The symbol something like this. Okay, did adjustable date on the data. How far is data is part along its y-axis. Okay, I just use that. Just do that. Okay, display if you do need to fix on the cloud, right? Use it one. Apply. Okay. And this one, okay, very big. Just use just uh it's 5. It's 3. Okay. Just display width just for apply, right? Apply just free apply. Okay, that's it. And apply and click on the 3D. I need to move up. Okay, I rotate 90 degree along its x-axis, right? So one apply, right? Okay, come up. Okay, go up. And the C go up little bit, two, little bit, two, one, okay, two, apply. Okay, you got this. You can move. Okay, use the keyboard. Paste, paste down on the keyboard. Uh, is go down, go up, go down. You can control by the keyboard. Okay, it's more right. Okay, go down. That's it. You can do this. Right is a potter. You can do the other else. Okay, the chart else. You can do this. Right. The first one. I rotate. Go up. Okay, stand up. Along is the vertical. Right? Something like this. Okay, easier to look at the chart. Okay, apply. Okay, apply. Okay. I use it right here. Uh, okay, sorry. Turn back. I need to use display the pointer and the pointer axis. Okay, again. Oh, sorry. This one is chart. Correct. And, and this one pointer. Okay, right. Pointer. Double click on there. Display in frame. Right. Axial. Axial. Use the star. That is adjustable, and the range of the y-axis, right, adjustable, can be adjustable. And next, click on here. Okay, 90 degree rotate with x. Okay, go up 2 meter, maybe 1.58. That's it. Click OK. Apply. OK. Oh, very big. Very big. 5, 3, 4. Right, okay, and this one apply. Okay, and this one double click on there. It cannot show up. I improve and add up more capacity of the buffer. uh, that's it. Okay, sorry, I just come to sorry. Display Instagram is very good. Good back. Right. Cancel again. Display Instagram. Yes. Okay, I just try chat. The forum. Okay, click OK. That's it. Because this one is the buffer. You can use your mouse. Oh, you cannot. Okay, it's This pointer is a part number of the our workpiece stay on the buffer and the swing between 18 to 20. Okay, it's not so go down to zero, right? Okay, the 20 enough for loading to the machine, every machine, right? That means okay, this is the trend tendency, and you can do this. You can see it and analyze it. Okay, 1680, 18. Okay, then back and double click on there and use 8. Use 5. Okay, okay, still enough, right? A swing up, swing down in the range 3 to 5. Okay, then it is good. Accept it. Accept it. If I come up the idea, I will take the people work B. Sorry, two people work B, worker C, worker C. Okay, support each other, control and take care. Three session, three machine, right? Okay, three machine. That okay. Try to test. Maybe it improve a little bit more, right? Because right now 1619. I choose another way. I define it. I click back. I define this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Two peoples support each other. The take care three station. And also drain as well. Three. Okay, three iteration. Click over there and click the supporter set up. Click on here. I use it D DD. What is DD? DD is the job. Okay, heal together and support each other. Right? I call that the specific job. Job is the two people to do something, and take care three session. Okay, job DD. Try. Okay, the job DD as well. Job DD import well job DD apply. Okay, this one job job transport job DD job DD apply. Okay, that's it. Don't forget change uh, the additional services. Uh, the services you must define worker B can be used DD as well. Use DD same thing B and C apply. Okay. Try. Oh, less and rest. Why? Okay, you see. Share the job. Uh, do a job among the B, C, right? Share the job. C can fix it. The machine fail. B can fix it. The machine fail as well. Two people. Okay, share the job each other. Okay, just uh, is not good, right? Not good, but it's more balancing. Okay, the worker B and the previous worker B never done more, never do the job more, right? They just focus on the setup job. That's it, right? And right now it's share the job little bit more, right? And this one, okay. You should analyze what happened, what going on in your process is. Uh, okay, return back and return run again. Show the worker chart. Show it show. Okay. You see the right state. Right? This is the right state. LED it show up the state. Processing state. Okay, this state is working. It's working because it's a manual. The manual machine take the worker to processing about the product, right? And when the kindergarten show up, it must be worker to do something in this machine. And this one another. Then another is station. This station number two you need the worker to do when the LED show the browse state, right? The browse state. Okay, this time the person never have the job to do something else, right? Okay, did the person okay staying here all the time, right? Okay, because station number three, station number three never have the failure or the broken down on the machine, right? And that one, this person, okay, waiting about setting up the machine. It not work anywhere, right? Or somewhere. Okay, take care of the machine. Okay, and the worker number three, because the failure is a LED state show up bright red red right color. Red right color means the failure is happened in this station. We call the worker B or C. Come here in front of the station and fix the machine. Right? And right now it's not yet show up the red color. And this one, the last station, when it show up on the uh, I'm not sure it's setup machine or the setup machine, right? Okay, the machine is show up the brown or yellow, right? Yellow is walk to job, right? This one this show up is brown color. Brown color is the setting up, right? And this person never have the job for setting up on this machine, just the job for carry on. It's carry object on his hand and go to the container of outcome. Right? Okay, that's it. You look at this. The meaning is the person. Okay, he watching out about the machine just only do job mostly only job is setting up, and this person mostly use transport. Okay, the job is to transport the part from the station to the drain, right? Okay, right now I just click show up on here and worker see, right? The setup, right? Okay, not the setup, it's a walking to the job here, job is here, job, and setup is worker C. B is setup B set up and carry, right? B. Also, worker C set up, right? It's set up. The worker C, this one is the worker B. B is green color, right? Okay, B green color. Is B is walk a lot, right? Work to the job. They carry the workpiece to the outcome container and walking over again, right? Again over again. Mostly the job for worker B. And worker B maybe some process, right? Because some step, some some the job, sometime is a red color is pop up, the red color is pop up, and this one and one which one person okay have available time, and broker is call that person to the fixed machine. When the fixed machine and this are empty, you never have, right? Never have. Okay, this is swap the job, right? To do this, that means okay, fix, right? Either regular and this is a process, right? Worker B is a process, little bit, the process. It's carry and process time of the second station is set up, right? It's bound color. Bound color is set up. The yellow color, right? Nearly the same is the orange color. Orange color is warm, right? The pink color, right? The red color is fix it, repair. Okay, it's correct. Correct, but it's not good because the worker A, okay, a lot of the job, a lot of work, is a lot of work is very hard, and worker B, worker C, okay, nearly similarity in the time job. Okay, the job time is nearly similarity B and C. If I change because it maybe it's equal, it's wrong, mistake, right? Maybe I need to close up, move to the keyboard and control rotate. Control try. Okay, the waiting time, right? It start generate the waiting time already because it's waiting, the part is coming, the sentence 2 3 okay, waiting the station number two, feed the part to the station three or four, right? Okay. The priority of the job you can set up, maybe some the job is called, some worker is come in, going to the process the job, right? Maybe you need to do something important more. You can set up the priority, right? Okay, something like this. If I set up the priority of this machine, okay, this one, the priority of the machine, right? When the priority of the machine is one, right? Okay, and this priority is zero, right? And it can be interrupted because the process time, the manual machine important than more than the sort must have some worker A, called worker A to carry the object, yeah, from the sort, right? And if the working job, the processing job in the manual machine is called the person, maybe that person going to is going to carry the object to the buffer. Okay, and that means I need to focus on the processing the manual machine first. The machine done, okay, you let worker A to carry the work piece from the sort, no problem, right? Okay, right now I set up the zero for a sort and tick on there can be interrupted, can be interrupted mean, okay, if the priority higher call the job, the system let the worker A to do the manual process first until the manual process done. Okay, come back to the source and allow the source supply the object, apply the part to his hand. Okay, with the meaning of the priority, right? And it's the same, and the priority is this one is for this one is cooperator. It's cooperate each other because B and C I set up the job DD already, right? Working on there. Okay, right? I set up the priority. Okay, increase the to put 40 part, right? 40 part, 40 product number, the number of the throughput, okay, increase up, right? Because a little bit the parameter is the effect to the throughput, right? Something like this. Okay, I have done about this. Uh, if I, okay, another case because you see about that, you see about the output, right? Sorry, I rerun again. If I use two people, it's a two worker to do this process, right? Okay, worker A and worker B enough. And what happened? What going on? The your system and your system is going on, right? You need to prove it. You need to prove it. If I change the worker, and this is the worker, a number of the worker to become two people, right? From three people become two people and manage the job for them, right? What happened? I will prove that. And maybe you less the cost, and you're going to try to raise the cost must be paid, right? Right, must be paid, right? You can deduce if you deduce the worker 1%, right? And still not far away from the maximum. Okay, this one is the maximum already, right? I think that. Okay, I just change how to change it, right? Okay, let me uh, duplicate another model and define two worker. Okay, two worker, two worker. That's it. Here, close it. Two worker come up. I change. Is a worker pool. This one and C. And right now I just delete the C. I use A and B enough. Okay. Oh, sorry. Delete. Delete. Apply. 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 Apply again. Worker A is control and take care. Take care 3 station and one station is source station and the machine manual machine and setting, right? And setting is A. Uh, hmm. A is a lot of job already. Okay, the A use control and take care is one sort, right? Another is the manual, and this one fail, right? It failure machine. Okay, this is the machine A. I just double click on here, right? And click on there. So I will set up A control and processing at the machine, right? And this station number 2, station number 3 is failure machine, and this one the second machine. A and B is cooperate each other, right? With each other, right? And this one and this one and the fourth and drain station. This fourth and drain. Okay. Worker B take responsibility, right, for these two machine. Okay, I define that part is A. Okay, correct. Okay, try it first. Okay, this one B for B, right? It's B, and this one A and B, and this one B. Set up, order, set up. Double click there B. Okay, B, and this one double click on there. Order fail. DD. Okay, DD. Apply. Okay, and this one importer transport. And this one B, BB. Apply. Okay. Try again. Oh, sorry. Double click on there. D, B, worker B and DD, A and DD. Apply. Okay. Worker A and worker B cooperate. Cooperate work to repair about the station number 3. I don't know because it's not 100% variability, right? I use some people A or B fix it when they come up with the red color LED, right? Right? LED, right? Okay, that's it. Right. Oh, 100 to 1,200. That's it. Because it's two people. It's balance, right? Balance the job. Okay, so balance the job. Okay, similarity, right? Is okay. It's fair enough. It's fair to worker because the working time nearly the same, right? And this one, the part, the part, okay, still, still it's not still enough for loading and feeding to the station number 1. This station, okay, it's balancing. The maybe okay, the yellow color mean block, right? Okay, block because A, okay, maybe sometime take care the machine fail, right? It's not focus on only the machine, right? Only one the machine, the process manual machine, right? Because take his time to fix it, the machine number 3, right? That mean okay, it's block this station because it failed. Okay, the pipe is not flow pass through some station. Right? Okay, I need to reduce walking to the job. Right? You can adjust the distance of the station. Okay, go to the center. Move it. Move it. Try again. Oh, okay. no part. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, I rotate it. Oh, it's go up. Right, okay, get down. That's it. 1221. Torture, torture. Right? Okay, that's it. That's it. Enough. Uh, okay, in the chain, in the number of the throughput reduce to the 1228. And another one, right? Another one is the three people's worker. You were worker, okay, you got 1,000. I don't know. Okay, just this one, and it's open. Three worker, right? Three worker. Okay, just window. Going to window, something like this. Okay, these are two people, and this one is three people. Okay, I just running. Okay, 300 product. Okay, yeah. Okay, set off the number of the worker reduced to one, reduced to two people's worker. Okay, you just set off is the part increasing to 300 products, and compare the use of two people to do everything else to do is the processing line, right, and the production line over here, the same thing, right, and you must trade off which one is better for you, right? Okay, this one two people and another and the three people. Okay, that's it. uh, you will learn about this, right? How to analyze the chart, right? And the chart is the this one. This one, the chart is the control and look up and look over about a number of the part, stay on the buffer. Okay, this chart. How to set up the plotter display, how to move the 3D display is set up like this. Okay, this video enough for now. Uh, See you next video. Don't forget save it. Close, 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 turn back. Okay, and this one as turn back. Okay, and save. Let me change the name. Three peoples. Three. Three workers. Okay, done. Save. That's it.